Well, you're looking at installing some new backlit light boxes or menu boards for graphic display, but you may have noticed that there are several different loading methods to choose from out there. So let's take a look at the various methods available for loading graphics into backlit display light boxes. Almost all light boxes these days make it very easy for you to change your graphics. But what are the pros and cons for each of these loading methods, and which is the most ideal for your project? First, let's list the most common lightbox loading methods available. Here we have what's known as the snap frame design, which loads from the front. This one is what we call the side load or flip edge design, which loads from the sides. Next, we have the hinged door option, as shown here. This next one is simply the sandwich design, which is held in place by decorative screws. In addition to these, there are also some less common custom loading methods available for special applications, but the previous four designs represent probably 99% of all light boxes you'll find in the marketplace. Now let's talk briefly about each of the loading methods and see if we can help you determine which is best for your lightbox project. The snap frame loading method is one of the most popular loading methods out there because it's just pretty intuitive. You snap open the edges, remove your clear protective lens, and bam! Swap out your Duratrans backlit film, no tools required. Snap frames are great for retail stores or any site where the artwork needs to be updated frequently. However, you usually won't see snap frames being used outdoors or in high demand or jumbo-sized applications because of their limited ability to stand against weather, against vandalism, and also when under excessive weight or pressure. The side loading method is probably the second most popular loading method, and it's also one of our favorites here at Blue River Digital. Now let's find out why. Most side load models can flip open on one side with your fingers like this, although there are some side loading models, such as this one, that require some tools to open. Next, just slide the lenses and graphic film out sideways for easy graphic change. An important thing to keep in mind with side loaders is that you'll need adequate clearance next to your installation site for the lenses to slide out. Before we move on, note how your side loading frame style has quite a bit thinner profile than your average snap frame, making it a favorite with our customers who prefer that minimalist frame look. The side load model uses fewer moving parts than the snap frame and can hold heavier lenses with less trouble, making it both more economical and stronger. The third most popular loading method, after snap frame and side load, is the hinged door. Notice how much thicker the front profile of your typical hinged door light box is when compared to the snap frame and side loading designs. This makes the hinged door option perfect for outdoor light boxes, where you need very heavy and/or very large light boxes, or for any light boxes used in a high-demand, high-exposure environment. For example, a busy subway station, or anywhere that has a lot of adjacent foot traffic and/or increased exposure to weather. Another popular loading method is what we call the sandwich design. This works best for highly decorative, elegant light boxes intended to look frameless or minimalist in design. In the sandwich design, you simply unscrew the decorative fasteners at each corner, and your front lens is free from the assembly. Sandwich frames are not practical for jumbo light boxes and/or high exposure situations, but they're a clear favorite when elegance and simplicity are top priority. So there are your four most common loading methods for backlit display light boxes and menu boards. For a bird's eye comparison of each of the loading methods with all of their pros and cons, please visit our website and go to the Lightbox department, then choose loading methods. I hope this video has helped in your search for the ideal lightbox product. Here are some links to some other informative videos and articles.